In 2025, a standard 120 volts outlet, known as level 1 charging, technically can charge any electric vehicle. However, it's likely not enough for most drivers due to its slow speed. This is what level 1 charging looks like, using a standard household outlet with a portable charger. It's a very slow trickle charge, adding only about 4 to 5 miles of range per hour. Compare that to level 2 charging, which can add 20 to 50 miles per hour. This means fully charging a 300-mile battery could take over 60 hours. That's more than 2.5 days of continuous charging. While it works in a pinch for emergency charging, most electric vehicle owners find level 1 charging too slow for their daily driving needs. Level 1 charging is the most basic and accessible way to charge your electric vehicle at home. It uses a standard household outlet, requiring no special installation or equipment. A standard 120 volts outlet on a 15 to 20 amp circuit provides the power for level 1 charging. The wiring diagram shows how this connects through your home's electrical system, including the breaker box and ground connections. The outlet delivers about 1.4 kilowatts of power, which is enough to slowly charge your EV's battery. While it doesn't require any special equipment beyond what's already in your home, the charging speed is quite slow. Level 1 charging connects your EV to this standard outlet using the charging cable that comes with your vehicle. The onboard charger inside the car converts the AC power to DC power needed for the battery. The charging speed is typically 4 to 5 miles of range added per hour. For a vehicle with a 250-mile battery, this means a full charge could take around 50 to 62 hours of continuous charging. This makes level 1 charging most suitable for drivers with very short daily commutes of less than 50 miles, where you can charge overnight while parked. All electric vehicles are compatible with 120-volt charging since they come equipped with a built-in onboard charger. When comparing charging levels, level 1 stands out as the slowest but most convenient option for home use, requiring no additional installation. It's a great starting point for EV ownership. The trend is moving away from basic 120-volt charging. Smart chargers with app controls and scheduling are becoming commonplace, allowing you to optimize charging times for lower electricity rates. Even more exciting is bidirectional charging, also known as V2G. Here, your EV can feed power back to the grid during peak demand periods, earning you credits or payments for the electricity you provide. Solar-powered EV charging is also gaining popularity, integrating with home solar panels to create net-zero energy homes where your vehicle charges using clean, renewable power. Many Tesla owners begin with basic 120-volt charging, but quickly upgrade to Tesla wall connectors for much faster home charging. Starting with 120 volts, charging adds about 4 to 5 miles per hour. For a 300-mile battery, this could take over 60 hours. Upgrading to a Tesla wall connector provides level 2 charging at 20 to 50 miles per hour, reducing charge time to just 8 hours for the same battery. Ford is taking a different approach, offering free level 2 installations to Mach-E buyers through partnerships with utilities. These upgrades provide similar speed improvements, dramatically reducing charge times compared to 120 volts alone. The key benefits include drastic reduction in charge times and elimination of range anxiety, making EVs much more practical for daily use. Experts agree that while 120-volt charging serves as a basic starting point for EV ownership, level 2 charging is essential for practical everyday use. Key statistics reveal that the vast majority of EV charging, 82%, happens at home, making convenient home charging crucial. However, 120-volt accounts for only 12% of those home charging sessions, with most owners opting for faster level 2 options. This preference for faster charging is evident in user surveys, where most EV owners prioritize level 2's quicker recharge times. To illustrate the speed difference, level 1 at 120 volts typically adds 4 to 5 miles of range per hour, while level 2 at 240 volts can add 20 to 50 miles per hour. Visual aids like charger setups and charging time comparisons help demonstrate these concepts in practice. Technical wiring diagrams and nationwide station maps provide additional context for home charging infrastructure. Looking ahead, wireless charging and DC fast charging options are emerging for home use. Wireless charging uses inductive mats that allow EVs to charge simply by parking over them, eliminating the need for plugs and cables. This offers unparalleled convenience, with the first consumer models available in 2025 and projected to capture 10% of the market by 2030. Meanwhile, DC fast charging at home brings rapid power directly to your garage. Units capable of 50 to 100 kilowatts can charge an EV from 0 to 80% in about 30 minutes, significantly reducing reliance on public charging stations. This technology, with models like the Juicebox 150 and Rivian partnerships emerging in 2025, provides the speed of public fast chargers without leaving home. Together, these advancements in wireless and DC fast charging will likely render 120-volt charging obsolete for many EV owners, offering faster, more convenient alternatives that integrate seamlessly with modern lifestyles and reduce the need for traditional public infrastructure. Ultimately, choosing the right EV charging setup depends on your driving habits. If you drive very little each day, a standard 120-volt outlet might be enough for basic charging needs. For example, with 30 miles of daily driving, 120 volts would take about 60 hours to recharge, while 240 volts takes just 12 hours. Adjust based on your needs. Consider your daily mileage, access to public chargers, budget for upgrades, and future plans. Most EV owners find Level 2 charging much more convenient and efficient.